Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing 100% real, 100% natural salt water Golden Kubera oyster pearl. Extremely very high quality, AAA quality. Very rarest collection. Only single piece available. I will show under the light to prove it originality. See, under the light you can see the originality of this pearl. It shows the AAA quality, extremely very high quality. You can see the originality of this pearl. Okay. Extremely very high quality Golden Kubera pearl. I show on the light the originality of the pearl. Extremely very high quality, AAA quality Golden Kubera pearl. 100% real, 100% natural, original salt water Golden Kubera oyster pearl collected from the Indian Ocean. Extremely very high quality. By wearing this pearl will make you richer. This pearl will make you richer. See the beauty. This pearl will make you richer. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.